Alright, so I'm about to cash out this Ibotta rebate that I have made. I'm going to click on withdraw. And I'm going to select the gift card. So I'm going to go down and choose the gift card I want. I'm going to use the Walmart gift card. So now I'm just going to go ahead and verify my phone number and I'll come back. So I verified it and it basically says your phone number has been verified. So I'm going to go ahead and click done. See what happens next. So I guess it's going to take a few minutes. Or actually, I'm going to go ahead and click that link again and see what happens. So I'm going to choose the amount. And then get $20 Walmart gift card. So I had to enter my password. And then it says purchase is successful. Your new purchase is all ready to go. Redemption instructions have been emailed to you. So I'm going to go ahead and check that out.